All right, Preston Sandlin here with Home Inspection Carolina, and it's that time of year again. It's spring, time for the spring home maintenance checklist. You can get this free on our website at homeinspectioncarolina.com. Click on the realtor section and drop down spring maintenance checklist. I'll also put a link in the description. But yeah, this is a great checklist, and there's a whole lot of other freebies there at Home Inspection Carolina as well. All the seasons, what you should be doing to your house. Also, if you're getting ready to sell a house, there's a seller's inspection checklist. Anything that we can digitize and make it downloadable, we put it on there. And if you got any suggestions, please leave them in the comments. Oh yeah, and thank you for watching. Link, subscribe, whatever. I'm not exactly sure. I'm pointing to where the buttons are going to be. But anyway, let's go over this real quick. Spring is the perfect time to tackle those home maintenance tasks you have been putting off during the cold winter months. It's a comprehensive checklist that will guide you through the essential areas of your home that need attention to ensure everything is in tip-top shape for the warmer months coming ahead. First, check the plumbing system. It gives you directions on how to check all the faucets, the drains, that sort of thing. And then next, you'll check the roof, examine the roof for any signs of damage. You'll need a ladder or binoculars. Talks about safety precautions and exactly, if you're going to look, for cupping, curling, cracking, separation, that sort of thing. And then right after the roof, you're going to want to check the gutters. It's a really good thing to check and make sure they're cleaned out and they're draining properly. Because obviously, we're probably heading into some months where we're going to get quite a lot of rain. What's the thing? April, what is it? March winds, April showers bring May flowers. So that's coming. So we want to make sure those gutters are cleaned out. Windows and doors, we want to check around windows and doors for the weather stripping, make sure they're, going up and down properly. Then we're going to check the outdoor space. Gives you a list of things to look to make sure the patios and porches, all that sort of stuff is fine. Safety devices. You want to test all the safety devices, replace the batteries in all your smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors. You want to check the auto reverse on your garage door. It's a great time to do that. And then landscaping, it's a good time to prune and shrub the trees because, they're getting ready to have a big growth spurt here. So, yeah, all of this is available free at homeinspectioncarolina.com. The spring maintenance checklist. Let me make sure I'm in the right order, wrong order. I don't know how it's appearing on screen. Maybe that way. But anyway, check it out, homeinspectioncarolina.com. It's free download, and I will put the link in the background. Please link and subscribe, and thank you for watching our video.